The question is that which one is going to run up faster and which one is going to last longer. So in this video, we are going to talk about Redbox and the potential Redbox has to squeeze and what I see Redbox doing this week. Okay, so here we are, ticker RDBX. So firstly, I wanted to go to the day chart. Look at this beautiful, beautiful potential cup and handle pattern on this 1 day chart. Yes, we can say here that here's the cup and here's the handle, but I want to look at this from a bigger point of view. I think we're still developing this cup, and if we go to the quarterly, to the 4 hour, look at this. This is honestly beautiful. We see how we are way above the 200 day. We are bouncing off the 50 day, and we're trading on that 20 day. And I see a lot of key levels here that I made. So let's go to the 1 hour chart. Okay. So yes, on the 1 hour chart, we're coming down. We are touching that 200 day SMA. So that is where I do see the support being. But also, I see if you look on Friday, we had a huge push at this 979.80, and we had a huge run up to that 1237 price point. So what I think is that yes, a lot of people did take profits around here, and a lot of the guys that got in at that 970 are going to take profits around here. Is there a chance that we could run up to that 940 price point? Absolutely, but I do think that that being a major resistance, and then us coming back down to this 1120 price point, and then potentially bouncing off of that, and then going back on the upside. I do think that if we break underneath this 11, we are going to come back down to that 970, and if we break underneath the 970, we are going to lose the momentum that Redbox is having right now, and then come back down, and then potentially come back down to this 750 price point around here. So let's go to the 5-minute chart, and like I said, this is still pre-market, so I do see us coming down here or potentially bouncing to that 940. Now, if we stay at around that that $12 price point, around 1240, 1250, I do think we will have a lot of momentum to run back up to $18, $20 around that. That is where I'm going to take profits at. Yes, people are saying this is a squeeze play, and absolutely, by comparing it to AMC. And just and just looking at it as a whole, we see how all of the data is there. Look at the short interest. We're sitting at 103.53. That's the same as AMC. Like the off exchange short volume, 4,187,212 shares. That's what I'm saying. Off exchange short volume ratio is 47.95%. That's what I'm saying. This is gearing up to explode. It's like a spring, and I find that very enticing, and I see that as a very good chance to make a lot of profit on this trade. Like I said, so what I'm gonna do is I definitely don't like to trade at the open of market. I like to wait for patterns to develop, and I don't get in about 11. So I think we are going to pull back down to about that $11, $11.10 price point, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to average in. I'm not going, obviously don't go all in, but keep in mind I'm not a financial advisor. do what you want. It is your money. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to see what we do around this $11 price point. If we can stay above that and use that as a real support, then I'm going to take a small position here and see what we do. But if not, and then we end up pulling back down to that 970. See what we do. See how we hold around 970, because, like I said, this is where we had a lot of that volume that came in. So a lot of people are going to be looking out for this level, this 970 level, and even this $11 level. And like I said, I really like the potential on this. You know, you play this right, we could come, potentially we get back to this 14, get up to the $18, $20 level. And then if we can hold these levels around here, then we can talk about the $27, $28 level. But do I think this is a good trade for the day? And absolutely, on the 5-minute chart, let's pull down. Let's see where the support is going to be. Are we going to have the support around the $11 price point, or are we going to have the support around the $977.70 price point? That is going, for me, that's going to determine what I see Redbox doing. And obviously, if the trade does not look good for you, don't trade it. You don't have to trade it. You don't have to trade something you don't feel like is worth your time. It might be worth my time to me, but that doesn't mean that's worth your time to you. So what my plan is to do is take the profits from RDBX and take those profits and go back and take that and go back into AMC and then buy some more AMC shares. Now, in my opinion, these two are looking very, very good together. Now, the question is that which one is going to run up faster and which one is going to last longer. So, in my opinion, I do see Redbox squeezing a lot faster than AMC. But what that's going to do is that's going to bring the meme stock, trending back to the main media, back to social media, back to Yahoo Finance. That's going to get people back talking about meme stocks. And y'all already know I have been in AMC since the start. I got in April of 2021. Last year. I got in last year. So I do see this as a good play. And for all of my AMC apes, like I said, take it. This is what I would do. This is what I'm doing. I'm taking my profits from RDBX and going back to AMC, because I do see AMC still squeezing to $500, $600, even $1,000. Like I said, this is the perfect time to be investing. We are going to make life-changing money for my family, your family, and for all of those who do believe in the stock market. So that is all for this video. I really hope y'all enjoyed. Please stay tuned for more content. Bye-bye.